Alright, turning this pail into a sink. I've run into some pretty interesting challenges, but I think I've just about overcome them. First challenge, of course, in order for this to fit in there, I had to kind of bevel that so that we have water flow downhill. And so I overcame that first using that hub, which is the right diameter for the start of the taper, and then I used the hammer and that and that cone over there, if you can see it. The cone is from a wheel balancer. It was just the right size for that. Now then, I still didn't have the right taper to it, so then I took this right here and used my extension and my hammer and used this Geo Metro head cylinder as that, and then that gave me the perfect taper. But then we got these dumb things right here for the overflow, which we're not going to have an overflow with this setup. I guess I could have made one, but a lot of extra work. So that's what I've just been doing, and I think this is going to be a fix for that. Now I've got this. This is a 1.5 inch conduit. Now I have used the Dremel with the burr bit on it to wallow that out enough to where now it slips on, and you can tell I roughed that up. I'm going to get it in there, put my washer on, and then, as you can see, once we get this, then that nut, I'm hoping, yeah, it should snug up really good. We've got the that washer there, but there's going to be glue, PVC glue, and with the cleaner, and so I got to find all my parts. All right, this will come in handy right here. Put on my little washer there, flat washer, neoprene washer. Okay, that's going to go inside. I guess I could do it like this. Okay. Alrighty, now I'll put the cleaner on it. Stay there. Okay. Cleaner. and glue. Now I want to go ahead and get this thing on here. Actually, I don't think I'm going to need that. No, I might put it on there anyways. Alright, and I think we'll have a decent then I'll just put some silicone around that.